Dowel Good Mornings is an exercise that teaches you to hinge at the hips without bending your back. Place a dowel vertically along your spine so that it comes into contact with the back of your head, the middle of your back, and your tailbone. Maintaining that contact through all 3 points, hinge at the hips as low as you can go. Return to the starting position and repeat. Keep hinging as far as possible without breaking contact with any of the 3 points. You can bend your knees slightly, but remember, this is a hinge, not a squat. The most common error is breaking contact with one of the points. If your tailbone loses contact, this means you're bending your lower back. If your head loses contact, this means you're bending your neck or upper back. Avoid those errors by moving mindfully and reducing your range of motion if necessary. You must be proficient at this exercise before beginning to practice deadlifts.